Dr. Danny Wilson. I'm the CEO of Geocene, which is an independent IoT product development firm based in Berkeley, California. I'm also on the engineering faculty at UC Berkeley. Geocene is a team of 10 great engineers. We help other companies build their smart, connected products. When a company is developing a new product and they need an embedded IoT connectivity solution, we help them bake in their microcontroller, radio, firmware, and connect the data that their device is generating to a cloud backend. Typically, a Geocene customer is a company that's building a new smart and connected product. They need help solving their embedded systems problem. We'll partner with them and we'll pair some engineers with their own internal engineering team to help them build up that new product. And oftentimes we recommend that they'll build their connectivity part of their product with Blues. So we have lots of experience integrating both bare cellular Wi-Fi and LoRa modems, things made by companies like Quectel and Telit and Simcom. And we've also integrated many Blues note cards. And my experience of the two is that while it might take several months to integrate a bare modem, integrating one of these Blues note cards, really it just takes 2-3 days to develop the very first MVP, sort of like weeks to a month to prototype the first product that we can field test, and then several months after that to develop a product that's ready for real production. So contrast that to roughly a 1-year development time for the alternative solution. You're saving a lot of time and not exposing yourself to the risk of the bugginess and unreliability of building something from scratch, bespoke, and reinventing the wheel. I think that the biggest advantage of working with Blues is abstraction and not knowing how it works. When it comes to developing a complicated IoT product, there's a lot of moving parts. You have mechanical, electrical, firmware, radio, mobile app, backend, analytics, front end, and all of that has to work before it feels like the product works. That means there's a lot of engineering between the draw it on a napkin phase of a product and the deploy it to a real customer phase. So to the extent that you can simplify your product and simplify your life, you should. So I like working with Blues because it solves several important problems for me that I no longer have to worry about. Importantly, it solves the talking to the modem problem. Each modem is sort of its own special snowflake with its own set of idiosyncratic behaviors. I don't want to know. I just want to send my data to the cloud. Each cellular network provider is its own special case with its own set of special requirements. I don't want to know. I just want to send my data to the cloud. And when my data gets to the cloud, I want it to land somewhere safe and cozy where I can reroute my packets to my own back end at my leisure, and the Blues Notehub does that. So in the world of building an IoT product, which involves a lot of moving parts and a lot of complexity, Blues helps me reduce that complexity and get right to the point of making the product. As a product development company, Geocene has developed dozens of IoT products for dozens of companies, big and small. And along the way, we've made a lot of mistakes. We've learned how to integrate these products and bring them to market quickly, and learned lessons along the way about what works and what doesn't. So I'm here today to tell you about some of our mistakes and hope that you learn from them and build faster and better with a solution like Blues.